how to clear space from audio on CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. So make sure to import the video in the timeline and select the video or the audio that you want to remove spaces from it. So here is the video. After you select the video or audio, click on this transcribe button. So after it finishes transcribing your video, it will show you this interface. So here, as you can see now, it select all the spaces from your audio. So here is it now. So the first thing now it will select all the repeated words. So if you go into this pauses, so now it select all the pauses for you. It will remove all the pauses for you from your audio. The next thing, repeat word. So there is repeated word inside your audio. So it will remove all the repeated words inside your audio as well. But if you don't want to remove the repeated word from your audio, you should just go ahead and uncheck this. By unchecking this, now you allow the repeated word inside your audio. But I want to remove them. After that, go to this pillar word. So it select all the pillar word from your audio as well. So the next thing to do, just click on this delete button. So from there, it will delete all the spaces from your audio. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.